Now let's look at another example of using count, COUNTA and COUNTIF. Look at the table here. We want to count the total number of students. So we can use the formula to count all the valid student ID here. We can use COUNTA, which counts text and number. We select the cell ranges here, and it gives us the total number of students. And next one, we will count the number of students with CCA. Look carefully at this column, CCA. It consists of text and blank cell. So we can use COUNTA to count the number of cells with text except blank cell. We select the cell ranges here, and we get the number of students with CCA, which is indeed 6. And we want to count the number of students heavier or equal to 60 kg. Here we have a condition of heavier or equal to 60 kg. So we use the COUNTIF because we need to meet this condition. We select the cell ranges here, and the criteria is heavier, that means more than or equal to 60. And here we get the numbers. We double check the weight here, more than or equal to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we get the correct result. And we want to count the number of male students. Again, this is a condition. We want to count only the male in this gender column. So we use COUNTIF. We select the cell ranges here, and the condition that we want is male only. Okay, so now we have the result as 6. And for this, we want the number of students with dance CCA. Let's look at this CCA column. How many students with dance? Only 2 students. And we need the condition of having a dance CCA. So we use COUNTIF. We select the cell ranges here, and the condition is dance. And indeed, there are 2 students. And that is how we can use the formula. Let's look at the show formula here. And these are the formula that you can use. That's all for now.